High above the clouds, a village of floating islands drifts peacefully. Lanterns glow in the twilight, each light pulsing like a heartbeat. At the village's center, Ezra, an old man with silver hair and kind eyes, watches over the Heart's lantern, a massive glowing orb that keeps the islands afloat. But tonight, something is wrong. The Heart's lantern flickers, its glow fading. Ezra frowns.
Not now. Not yet.
Behind him, a mischievous young girl, Nia, clutches a tiny ember of light, her eyes wide with wonder.
I just wanted to see if it was real.
Ezra sighs.
That ember is the lantern's spark. Without it, the village will.
The ground beneath them trembles. Houses tilt. The sky darkens. The village is sinking. Ezra turns to Nia.
We must relight it before dawn. The Firebird's peak is our only hope.
Ezra unrolls an ancient map. A red-marked path leads to a distant mountain, its peak shaped like a bird's wings. They climb into a rickety skyboat. As it glides between floating islands, Nia whispers,
I didn't mean to break it.
Ezra steers the boat.
Curiosity isn't bad, but some things must be handled with care.
A swirling wind blocks their path. A voice calls,
Sing, child of light, or be lost in the storm.
Nia hesitates, then hums a soft tune. The wind's calm, parting to let them through. Ezra nods approvingly. A dark bridge stretches before them. Shadows whisper Ezra's past fears.
You are too old. You cannot fix this.
Nia steps beside him.
The past only wins if we stop moving forward.
The sky darkens as they reach the Firebird's peak. Sparks rain from above like falling stars. From the flames, a massive Firebird emerges, its wings flickering with golden light. It speaks.
A true flame is not taken. It is given. Prove your light.
Nia swallows her fear. She holds out the ember.
Then take mine.
The Firebird does not take. Instead, it breathes warmth into the ember, growing it into a brilliant flame. The Firebird bows.
You have the heart of a Lightkeeper.
The flame dances in Nia's hands, eager to return home. Riding a streak of firelight, they rush home as the village edges closer to collapse. Ezra and Nia place the flame into the Heart's lantern. It flickers, then flares to life. The floating islands rise, the sky brightens, and the villagers cheer. Ezra watches Nia, who gazes at the glowing lantern with awe. He smiles. Ezra kneels.
You remind me of myself as a child. This lantern needs a new keeper.
He hands her a smaller lantern, a symbol of trust. Nia's eyes shine. Music and laughter fill the air as lanterns float higher than ever before. Ezra watches Nia from a distance, content. His time as the Soul Keeper is over. She lifts her lantern high. Its glow spreads across the village, lighting a new path. As the sun rises, the sky fills with lanterns. A new Lightkeeper's journey has begun.